Okay, welcome to the video. So today we're going to be unboxing the Monster Clarity HD wireless headphones. So these are some Bluetooth headphones. If any of you know, I'm a fan of Bluetooth headphones, and right now I don't have any. Well, actually, I didn't before, but now I do. So we're gonna get into the package and see what these are all about. Okay, we're gonna get into the package. So we start here, I think. Oh, there's a little sticker. Okay, I'm gonna open this on my own and then we're gonna look at it. I got these things cut, so we're gonna see if this is the right way. Apparently it is. Okay, so here we go. Got it open. So now we're gonna pull this thingy. This is weird. Okay. And it just gives you a little first look at the headphones, I guess. And then you got your headphones. And they look amazing. So we're going to pull the plastic off of them, take our first look at them. But here you can see there's a very metallic finish on the inside, look at that. And there's your charger to charge the headphones. There's a place if you want to put a wire in with a headphone jack. I haven't tried them out yet, so I gotta do that. And apparently they're foldable too, so I'm gonna get that going to show you that too. So let's do that in a moment. Okay, here we go. We got them folded up. You can see them. So this little metal part on the inside there, you have to press on it to move the headphones into the folded position. So I think that's all I'm gonna show you for this. I don't know what else there is to show you. That's the packaging, that's the headphones, that's the little user guide thingamabobber. So, I'm gonna see how they work and possibly do a review of them, I don't know. So, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.